Okay, so we've put together a game and I've walked you through a lot of the steps and I've given you hints to complete the bits that were not completed by me. Now it's time for you to make your own game. And the question is, how do you do that? And this is how everyone does it. We go online and we find tutorials teaching us how to do things. And anything in programming, you can find someone who will show you how to do something that you don't need to do, that you don't know how to do, rather, and that you don't need to do. So on arcade game platform, there's no difference. So you've got a whole series of tutorials which will show you how to do different types of games. So Galga, for example, is a spacecraft shooting alien spacecraft, and if you just scroll along here, you'll see Barrel Dodger and uh, this kind of game and tile games and all kinds of things like that. So whatever takes your fancy, you start one of these. So let's say I say Barrel Dodger, and it says here Start Tutorial, and it starts the tutorial, and it basically walks you through how to do it. So at the top, it says, well, okay, so you have to jump, and you have these barrels are moving along, and you've got to jump over them, and if you connect with it, you die. So kind of that simple. So you click Start on the tutorial, and on the top here, it tells you what to do. So you just do it, and then you go next, and you follow these steps, and you just carry on completing it until you finished your game. So it kind of walks you through exactly what you need to do. Very easy to use. If you get confused or something, then send me a screenshot and maybe work together with other people in your group so that you're working on the same tutorial, so the same type of game. Of course, you can have your different graphics and things like that. Work together with other people so that you can share ideas, and when you get confused, you can help each other out. Remember your SPOT technique: self first, then your peer, the other person that you work with, then the people in your mentor group, then the teacher. And don't forget that there's also Spotty, which includes the internet. So if there's something that is really bothering you, really don't know how to do, go on the internet, Google it. Have fun with your tutorial game. And this is something, obviously, once you've shared it, you can send the share link to your friends and they can play your game. I mean, how cool is that?